This is how I created my visual status in Excel. For example, this is our criteria. The passing grade is 75. And what if the student 1, the grade is 74? And here you go. The visual status turns into thumbs down. And then also this one, this is 73. Okay. What if we will change this into 99? Thumbs up. So how to insert this? If you are still interested, please watch this video until the end and please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Now let us use this formula. Equals if the actual grade is greater than or equal to the passing grade, then we will lock this range, guys. The criteria. Press F4. Then if true or pass, okay, let's type C. And then if failed, let's put letter D. Then enter. Okay, then drag. Here we go. So after this one, guys, highlight. Then let us change the font. So let's type Wingdings. Okay, now this is it. And then to add a color, highlight, then go to formatting, click this, highlight, then equal to C. Let's type C. So FC custom format, then we will go to automatic, then select the color blue. Okay, then okay. And then another, click again, then equal to D. Let's choose this one, red text. Okay, and here we go. So F76 pass. Okay, turn into blue and then thumbs up. How about this one, 70 70? Okay, so this is it. I hope this video helps you a lot, and if you like this video, please click like, and if you want to learn more, feel free to subscribe and then click the bell button so that you will be notified for our upcoming videos. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.